Hi, TJ here with 3M Abrasives. I want to talk to you about our new 3M Flap Disc 769F. This new 3M Flap Disc 769F has our latest 3M precision shaped grain at a value price. Let's put the disc on the tool. First, you want to have safety glasses. You want to make sure you're wearing ear protection. When you're grinding, put on your 3M face shield. And you want to have leather gloves. Let's put on this new 3M 769F flap disc onto the tool. This new 3M flap disc has a built-in hub to make it easily attach to your electric grinder. Easily thread it on. Make sure you have all the right spacers attached, and make sure that as you're spinning it on, it gets underneath the guarding. Now we're ready to run the tool. During weld grinding, the precision-shaped grain really shines again. It provides a great cut, but you can still trust that your inexperienced operators won't gouge your parts with this flap disc. It's very easy to use. Once the weld is removed, the flap disc will blend the metal without having to change discs, which can help save time and money. And that's our 3M Flap Disc 769F. Thanks for watching, and remember to show us what you build.